Meaning of houmous.
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 Houmous. Houmous, also spelled hummus, is a popular Middle Eastern dip made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. It has a creamy texture and a tangy, slightly nutty flavor. Hummus is often served as a snack or appetizer and can be paired with pita bread, vegetables, or crackers. It is a healthy and nutritious food, as chickpeas are a good source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. In recent years, hummus has become increasingly popular in other parts of the world and is now enjoyed by people all over the globe.